Welcome students. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about volume of a cone. Volume of a right circular cone. As usual, let R and H be the radius and height of the cone. Then its volume V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. In our book, it can be explained by one demonstration. Then, consider a right circular cylinder and three right circular cones of same base radius and height as that of cylinder. See this diagram. The contents of three cones will exactly occupy the cylinder. This demonstration is given in our book. From this 3 into volume of a cone, that is these three cones. 3 into volume of a cone equal to volume of cylinder. What's the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Take this 3 to the right hand side. Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. This information is given in our book. Simply we can prove this in another experiment. Take a cylindrical container and a conical flask of the same height and same base radius. Then add water to the conical flask. It is filled to the brim. Start adding this water to the cylindrical container we take. We will notice it doesn't fill up the container fully. Try repeating this experiment for once more. We will still observe some vacant space in the container. Repeat this experiment once again. We will notice this time the cylindrical container is completely filled. So the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder having the same base radius and height. Here, the volume of a cone and a cylinder are related in the same way as the volume of a pyramid and a prism are related. If the height of the cone and cylinder are equal, then the volume of the cylinder is 3 times as much as the volume of a cone. Volume is measured in cubic units. Example 7.19. The volume of a solid right circular cone is 11,088 cm cube. If its height is 24 cm, find the radius of the cone. What is given? Volume of a cone is given and height 24 cm is given. We have to find the radius of the cone. We know volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 11,088. Substitute the values. Instead of pi, substitute 22 by 7. Here this 3 and 28 get cancelled. So 8. We have to find this r. So write r square as it is and the remaining terms take it into the right hand side. What happened? This 22 by 7 we write it in reciprocal. This 8 is in numerator, so we write in denominator. Here we can do it in two ways. If we are well versed in division and multiplication rules, first we can divide the number 11,088 by 8. Then again divide it by 22. Then take the square root, we get r. If you are lacking the multiplication tables and division rules, you can use this easy method. See here. Here we can follow the prime factorization. Second and third table are very easy. So first divide the number 11,088 by 2. We get 5,540. Repeat this division. After 4 steps we get an odd number 693. Divide it by 3. 231. Again divided by 3. 77. Here use the 7th table. 7 11s are 77. So r square equal to, instead of this 11,088, we can write all the prime factors here. Listen carefully. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So these 3 2s and 8 get cancelled. Then 2 and 22 get cancelled. 11. This 11 and this 11 get cancelled. See here r square equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Take the square root. R equal to 3 into 7, 21. Radius equal to 21 centimeter. For our convenience, we can use any method to find the square root. Example 7.20. The ratio of the volumes of two cones is 2:3. Find the ratio of their radii if the height of second cone is double the height of the first. Two cones are given. Let us take the first cone. Radius equal to r1, height equal to h1. Second cone, radius r2, height h2. What is given in the question? Ratio of the volumes is given. Volumes are usually denoted by the letter V. Then one condition is given. Height of the second cone, that is h2 equal to double the height of the first. h2 equal to 2h1. Take the volume of the first cone is V1 and second cone is V2. So V1 by V2 equal to 2 by 3. We know volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. For first cone, we substitute R1 and H1, second cone R2 and H2. See here, 1 by 3 pi is common, so these two terms get cancelled. R1 square by R2 square into H1. Instead of this H2, we can substitute 2H1. Here, this H1 and H1 get cancelled. Take this 2 to the right hand side. So R1 square by R2 square equal to 2 into 2 by 3. Take the square root. R1 by R2 equal to 2 by root 3. So ratio of their radii equal to 2 is to root 3. Both are very important sums. Practice alone makes perfection. So practice very well. Thank you.